Today, we're going to build a TIE Interceptor using 9 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The cockpit of our TIE Interceptor is going to be like a lot of our other TIE fighters. What we're going to do is grab a Travis brick, and the top stud of our Travis brick will actually be the front of our TIE fighter. So we're going to get a round 1x1 translucent black tile piece to create the cockpit in the front of our TIE Interceptor. And now we're going to bring out the wings a bit, and to bring out the wings, we're going to get 2 of these 1x1 round plate pieces and put those on both sides of my TIE Interceptor Travis brick. And in the back, we've got this big old hole piece. And I was doing some research and trying to find the right color to use. And normally you use like a translucent plate piece here to kind of make it look like the engines are firing. But in reality, the TIE fighter doesn't really give off the glow that like the X-Wing and the Y-Wings do. So rather than creating like a translucent plate, I'm going to use this 1x1 round light bluish gray piece to stick it in the back so we get rid of that like square look and it looks more circular. And we do have like a little hole here for like the engine particles to be flying out to push the TIE fighter along. And I'm not going to do anything with the front or top or bottom stud because it gives it a little bit of a rounded look, but it also minimizes the girth of this cockpit so the wings don't look so small next to it. And now I'm going to create the Interceptor wings for this TIE Interceptor. And to do that, I'm going to grab a 1x1 tile piece with clip. Now I put that clip so that the teeth are on the top and the bottom of my TIE Interceptor. I'm going to do it to both sides. And once I've got those tiles with clips on, I'm going to grab these scissor pieces, these minifigure scissor pieces, and it's very minute, but if you look, this side actually sticks up a little bit further than this side. So what I want to do is get the flatter side to go into my clip piece so it's facing forward. Just put the clip piece in there, and it gets as close as possible to that clip and scissor piece to make it like a wing of the TIE Interceptor. I'm going to do both sides to kind of get that smoother side. It's very minimal, but when you're using micro builds, those little differences make a huge difference. So this is my TIE Interceptor. It's sleek, powerful, ready to hunt down those rebel scum.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.